Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created these cool looking trails in Unreal Engine 4.27 Niagara, and I have already created this, but I will again create it from scratch in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara. So I will provide both versions file in my pattern. You can download that from here. So you can see this is very simple but still looks cool, and I have a parameter here. If I just select this effects, I can change the color, and the cool thing is it's changing the trail color but also the light color together. So I have linked the light color and the trail color in with this single parameter, and that is also cool thing you can learn today. So this is Unreal Engine 4.27 and I have a blank project of UE5, and I will create that from scratch for you guys. So I'll just create a Niagara FX, and I have this fountain, and let me just make some space here, this much. Okay, so this will be your source part.